quick overview. Basically how I have the coding set up on here. I don't know how you copy and paste the schedule, but this is how it's set for the coding. So we're just going to hit the Bigo schedule, and then the paste schedule is the one we're pasting it to. That's where my other master schedule is. I don't want to put them all on the same sheet because it lags it out. We're just going to hit Bigo schedule, which I'm sure you already have the link of. Some people copy and paste this different, but this is the way that it's going to work on this system. I just click on the page and I do a Control-A to highlight everything. Then I just do a right click and copy. And we just go back to the other page here and go to the paste schedule. We're going to go to the 2-day tab. This is where I paste all the schedules for the day and make the agency schedules. But this is like the master that everything is linked from. You should have access to this now. I'm just going to hit the upper corner there and delete the old schedule. And we're just going to go into the A1 box, right click, and hit paste whenever it decides to pop up. We're just going to paste. And of course, sometimes, you know, copy and paste on Google Sheets is going to take a while. I'm just going to pause it. Alright, because Bigo messes up the tabs, we're just going to delete these rows up until it gets to the top. And that will code everything. We go back to our schedule. I'm in column C here. Sometimes it might take a few minutes to load. This is the column we just want to sort. This column, A to Z, which is already of course done, so it should pop everything up. And that's about it. And you're just gonna use the drop down boxes, put the put the host number in, which host it is, what amount they're dropping. Alright, as it loads, it's going to be a mess until it catches up like so. Just got to wait till all this crap here goes away. Alright, now it went away. And then we want to sort A to Z in case there's anything out of date. Now these should code automatically for the event. Like 60%, we're obviously not going to drop on that. It's going to be organic, so I'm not worried about that one. Live in the weekday, I got to figure out even what that is. I have no idea what that is. But these other ones, as long as Bigo doesn't mess with these words and keeps it the same, it should pull. If not, we have to fix that from the sheet we pasted it from, which you should have access to this one, I think. We just got to change how it's spelt right here. From this is the sheet where we pasted the schedule. So as long as this matches it, then it will pull these numbers. And I try to update these every morning with the dates of the events. Oh, and then I guess once we do this the next day, of course, we got to pull the data from the day before so that we have a copy of it. We're going to be pasting it in here. Just going to hit the data 2 section, everything that's in this column. We're just going to copy this data. Of course, these aren't real numbers. It's a test, and we're going to go to the host. And just say if we're doing yesterday's the 4th, we're just going to, you want to paste it special because we only want the value only. We don't want the coding from the other one. Otherwise, it'll come up with error. And this is going to calculate our totals. This is where everybody's totals are going to be. Negatives is they owe to the group. Positives, or we owe the group owes them. So as long as we just keep doing that down the line, pop another one here to see how it's going to change everything. And then once everyone gets, their wallet and stuff, we can put that information here. I still got to code this. I want to code it for stacking and everything. So it will show their trade value. So that's a work in progress. And I think that's about it. I know you're smart. I'm sure you already got it figured out.